Welcome to Software Installation Tutorial. In this unit, you will learn about software installation and upgrade. Software installation is the process of downloading and installing software onto your computer for a specific purpose. Bear in mind that software upgrade is different from software installation. We will discuss the difference between software installation and software upgrade later. Before any installation or upgrade of software, a user or client must have the correct authorization. Authorization as a security mechanism helps to determine access control levels of a user or client privileges. It influences access to system resources, including files, services, computer programs, data and application features. This critical process of granting or denying access to a network resource will be discussed in details later on. But for now, just know that it allows the user access to various resources based on their identity. Later on in this unit, we will discuss authentication and authorization. Before installation of software, a user or client machine should have the correct authorization in order to access the installation folder, especially in a networked environment. If they do not have the correct authorization, then they may not be able to install the software. Access a license key. Another topic we will consider is hardware requirements. All computer software needs specific hardware to run efficiently. A software or hardware requirements list is often accompanied by a hardware compatibility list, especially in cases of operating systems. Some of the requirements could include the processing power of the PC, its memory, storage, or graphics. All these elements could affect the efficiency of software installation and update. The hardware requirement list is located either on the side of the computer unit or in the computer's properties. Check out our video on the difference between software installation and software upgrade. This is a Faith Media Platform training video on software installation. Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned something new.